Alright everyone, today we're going to have a look at this beautiful Abus rock. It's 50 millimeters, it's heavy it's quite heavy, and we're going to try to get this open today. Yeah, stick around. Many people say the Abus rock is an easy lock to open. I would strongly disagree. This one kept me awake at night. Let's see what it takes to get this open. I would, however, like to pick it in hand because that's what I usually do with my padlocks. Right, come on. You are going to open up now. Now. 1. A little click and a little bit of movement on the core. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. Tiny click on 4. Can't get more out of it. 5 now. Got a good click, but maybe I overset something. Let me try 1 again. 1 is still good. Something came back up now. Something else. And something else. Back from the beginning. 1, good click there. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4. 5 continues to be difficult. I think we got a very subtle click though. Wasn't putting on much tension. Nothing on 1. 2 now. Another subtle click. Double checking 1. Got also a false setback. Nothing on 3. Little click on 4, nothing else. Little click on 5. Six seems set. Back to the beginning. Nothing on 1. Nothing on 2. 3 now. Got a little click. Recovered the false set on 1. Nothing on 2. Nothing on 3. 4 now. Little click there. Hope I'm not forcing it now. Another little click. False back set. False set returned on 1. 1. Where's 2? 1. 2 is good. 3 is good. 4 feels good now. Click on 5. Counter rotation. Another one I got. Let's try 1. Nothing there, which means we lost someone else. Nothing on 2, nothing on 3, nothing on 4, which probably means 5. Nothing on 5. Little click on 6. Not sure if that's it. Let me double check 1. Nothing on 1, 2, 4, 5. 6 was a little bit difficult. Should we be open now? Nothing on 1, 2, 3, 4. Lost everything. Back to 1. Good click on 1. False set. Subtle click on 2. False set returned. Nothing on 3. 4 now. Nope. That was too easy. 5 now. Better. A little bit of counter rotation. We lost our false set, back to 1. We got our false set back. Back to 2, nothing there. 3, nothing there. 4 now. Little click. Another little click, nothing else. 5 feels good. 6 now. Counter rotation. Got it. Back to 1. Feels good. 2 feels good. 3 feels good. We'll click on 4. I slipped off of it. Nothing else on 5. Nothing else on 6. It's getting really heavy in my hand. I'm cranking up the tension a little bit further to make sure I really get good feedback. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. I see 4 is something clicked. Nothing on 1, 2, 3. Four. I think I got 4, but I lost something else. And I think it's 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3. 4 is good now. It's 5 now. I think we got it. And I think it's 6 now. And I'm not entirely sure what happened now. Nothing on 1, nothing on 2, 3, 4 still good. 5 and we're open. Not at all an easy task. Now let me get this thing apart. Now, thanks again to LogFormula for this beautiful tool. Let's have a look at this. All right. So, as you can see, we have standard pins all the way in the bottom, different length, very different length. But everything's pretty standard. At the top we have a spool, 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 and this kind of awkwardly shaped pin that gives you, with these two serrations, a couple of clicks before it properly sets. All right, but that's all there has been to this. As I mentioned before, this is the plug, and it has this active element that prevents it from turning the key further than it's supposed to be, which, yeah, pretty cool lock in total. As you can see, the springs are kind of different because we have longer and shorter springs. I don't know if it's just because, no, they're actually protruding more than the others. But overall, man, difficult lock to pick. I was surprised. I saw people do this in minutes, and this wasn't all that easy as I thought it would be. On the core it also says 38 series, and here we have the shape of the keyway. That's it from Manipulator today. I hope you had a great time watching this. I had a great time making this, and I'll see you in the next one. Manipulator says bye bye.